In today's digital world, your personal brand is more than just a job title. It's your reputation, your story, and the way you present yourself to the world. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a creative, a corporate professional, or someone navigating career transition, building a strong personal brand helps you stand out, attract the right opportunities, and establish credibility. To craft an authentic and powerful personal brand, you need to focus on the 5 C's: clarity, consistency, content, connection, and confidence. This key element will help you define your brand, communicate your value, and create lasting impact. Clarity. Define who you are and what you stand for. Before you start promoting yourself, you need to be clear on who you are and what you want to be known for. Ask yourself these questions. What are my core values? What skills and strengths set me apart? What problem do I solve? Clarity is about having a well-defined personal brand that is recognizable and memorable. You don't want to be just another professional in your industry. You want to be the go-to expert in your niche. For example, my journey into marketing wasn't straightforward. I had built my identity around being an engineer, and shifting into a new space felt like a challenge. Whenever I introduced myself, people automatically associated me with my engineering background. This made it difficult for me to reposition myself as a marketing strategist. This is a common struggle. Many of us define ourselves by our job titles instead of by our purpose or mission. But here's the truth. Your brand is not just what you do. It's who you are and the impact you make. Here's an action step. Craft a short, compelling personal brand statement that captures who you are and what you do. Instead of saying, I'm a marketing strategist, try something like, I help brands build powerful marketing strategies that connect with their audience and drive growth. Consistency. Show up and stay visible. One of the biggest mistakes people make when building a personal brand is inconsistency. You can't show up one day, disappear for months, and expect to build a strong reputation. Consistency builds trust, credibility, and recognition. Think about your favorite brands. What makes them unique? What makes them stand out? It's their ability to deliver the same level of quality and messaging across all platforms. The same applies to your personal brand. You need to be consistent in your message, tone, visuals, and online presence. If you want people to trust you, they need to see you regularly. Would you take advice from someone who only posts about their expertise once a year? Probably not. People need to see your work, hear your insights, and engage with your content over time before they can trust your expertise. Here's an action step. Choose a platform where your target audience is most active and commit to showing up consistently. Whether it's posting twice a week, sharing insights, or engaging with others, find a rhythm that works for you and stick to it. Content. Showcase your expertise and provide value. Content is the lifeblood of your personal brand in this digital age. It's how you demonstrate your knowledge, share your experiences, and position yourself as a thought leader. But creating content doesn't mean just posting for the sake of posting. Your content should be authentic. Share your personal experiences, lessons, and insights. Valuable. Provide helpful advice, tips, and strategies your audience can use. Engaging. Encourage discussions. Ask questions and involve your audience. The key is to develop a content strategy that aligns with your brand without feeling like a full-time job. Find what works best for you, whether it's writing articles, making videos, sharing stories, or hosting live Q&As. Here's an action step. Start by identifying 3 to 5 content pillars, topics you want to be known for. This could be your industry insights, personal experiences, or success strategies. This will help you stay focused and create content that aligns with your brand. Connection. Build relationships and grow your network. Your personal brand isn't just about what you say, but it's who you connect with. The more you engage with others, the stronger your brand becomes. Networking isn't just about collecting contacts, it's about building meaningful relationships. Start conversations, offer value, and connect with like-minded individuals in your industry. Your network can open doors to new opportunities, whether it's collaborations, speaking engagements, partnerships, or career growth. The more people trust and recognize your expertise, the more likely they'll refer you or want to work with you. Here's an action step. Every week, engage with at least 5 new people in your industry. Comment on their posts, share insights, or send thoughtful messages. These small actions compound over time and help you build your brand's influence. Confidence. Own your brand with conviction. Confidence is the foundation of a strong personal brand. If you don't believe in yourself, why should others? Many people struggle with imposter syndrome, feeling like they are not qualified enough or experienced enough to position themselves as an authority. But here's the truth. Everyone starts from somewhere. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't is the confidence and the willingness to show up despite the fear. Confidence isn't something you're born with. It's something you develop through action. The more you put yourself out there, the more comfortable and self-assured you become. Here's an action step. Practice self-affirmations and remind yourself why you're valuable. Before posting content or networking, ask yourself, if I don't share my knowledge, who will miss out on learning something valuable? Finally, take action and keep growing. Building a personal brand is not an overnight success. It takes time, effort, and continuous growth. But if you focus on the 5 C's, clarity, consistency, content, connection, and confidence, you will create a brand that is impactful, memorable, and influential. Here are a few things I want you to remember. Be clear about your values and message. Be consistent in how you show up. Create valuable content that aligns with your expertise. Engage and build relationships that expand your reach. Own your brand with confidence and authenticity. Starting something new can feel intimidating, but every step you take brings you closer to where you want to be. Show up, stay committed, and trust your efforts will pay off. Your personal brand is your legacy. Make it count.